Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing this one brand makeup tutorial, which is Wet and Wild. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, let's start with the eyebrow. This is the Wet and Wild brow pencil, and I'm in the shade Taupe, I believe. I already tore the box, but it looks like this, and this reminds me with my Anastasia brow definer. So let's just start. Let's see, I don't have anything on my face right now, so and this is first impression also. Some of the Wet and Wild products that I'm gonna be showing you is new, some of them are old. So I normally start it with the how do you call this part, like the last part, and I like line it and see. And then what I do is kind of like I try to do like a fake hair. Just kind of doing that, and then keep pushing upwards. Okay guys, so I already did the other part of my eyebrows. So I really don't feel this eyebrow product, but I'm gonna give it a try again. Anyway, let's move on to eyeshadow. So I have two eyeshadow from Wet and Wild. This is the Rose in the Air, and I think I got this for $4.99, I believe. Let me just open it. It's so hard to open when I have my nails. So this is the how it looked like. This is the shade Rose in the Air. This really reminds me of the Modern Renaissance palette. And this other one is Not a Basic Peach. So okay, this is not a basic peach. That's how it looks like. Okay, so let's see. This concealer as a base. So I have this Wet and Wild Cover All liquid concealer in the shade medium. Yeah, in shade medium. So what I do, I'll just take a tape so I can have that clean look. What I do is just put it in the back of my hand and put this in my it's really up to you if you want to do this. Sometimes I do this. Okay, let's just start with this. I don't know what look I'm going for, but let's just use this concealer as a base. Let's see. Let's prime these eyelids. And I will be taking you know what, let me just blend it with my Real Technique sponge. Don't concealer just disappear on me. So hold on. I don't know what to feel about this concealer, but I'm just gonna use my Maybelline. Even though this is a one brand makeup tutorial, but actually. There you go. since I don't have, oh yeah, I'm just gonna use this. I will use this Wet and Wild contouring palette, this white part right here, this one, so I can set my concealer. Okay, moving on. We'll use this not a basic peach palette, and we'll use this transition shade right here. And then I'll switch with the this other palette. Okay, let me use this one right here. Use that one. So I'll be mixing these two palettes together. Using this one right here, this one right there, and just a little blending brush. Taking this color right here next to the one that I picked earlier, so I'll just kind of like put in my olive. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this orange shade right here from not a basic peach, I believe. Oh, just screwed up. So I can blend them all together. I'll be using this shade right here. Right there. Okay guys, for my primer today, I'll be using this Wet and Wild face primer, and I'll just put these. Put a lot. Hold on. Okay, for foundation, I will be using this Wet and Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I've been using this foundation, like this is my go-to foundation. So let's just put this in my face. And use my sponge. I really love this foundation, guys. I highly recommend this foundation. Okay, moving on with the concealer. I'm gonna give it another shot with this concealer. Let's see. Put this under my eye. Looks good actually. I don't know how to feel that concealer. But moving on with this contour stick, also from Wet and Wild. This is in the shade 805 Call Me Maple, and this is the first time I'll be using this. So let's just put it in the forehead. In the forehead first, and then I will blend it with my this Sigma brush, flat angle brush. Like that. So, put this in my juice. Let's see if this works. This is actually good. Let me see. I don't know. I love these. Blend with my. No, let me just blend it with my sponge. I'll just like bounce it. Okay, moving on with okay, I really don't like this powder from Wet n Wild. I'll just be using the contour one, so I'll just set my face with my Laura Mercier. Let's see. And I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna set my under eye and the rest of my face, especially my T-zone, because I oil up in my T-zone. Really need to set that. So set the rest of my face. Okay, moving on with the contour. So I'll be using this one. As you can see, it's my favorite, and this is the Dulce de Leche. So with my Wet n Wild contouring brush, I'll be taking that powder. Okay guys, for the blush, I will be using this Mellow Wine, the shade Mellow Wine from Eyeshadow, and this blush blush brush also from Wet and Wild. This is my favorite blush. So just put that on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I have this new liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild also. This is the shade Gilded Glow, and I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try this, but I would put a lot of powder, so I'm just gonna use my other highlighter, which is my favorite, ultimate favorite. This is the Precious Petals. Use her. Let's see. Okay, for lipstick, I have this catsuit, liquid catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. So I don't have the lip liner from Wet n Wild, so I'll just use this lipstick. And lastly, this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. And let's just set my face. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next on my video. Bye.